Hi, John. Thank you so much for taking out time and watching this video. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke yesterday. I found your company while doing research on plumbers in your area. My goal today is to provide some tips for increasing your ranking and online presence. So today we'll talk about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So before we begin, I was noticing here that your website is not secure. So when ranking on Google, this is one of the factors that they do look at is security. And then also too, you may be missing out on some customers since it's not secure, just in fear of them, their information not being safe when they go to your website. So this might be something you want to look into. Now, the first thing that we're going to talk about though is going to be content. So content is anything that can be found within your website. So words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures and videos. Now, in order to improve ranking on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having content or increasing content, you can use more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed into the search engine on Google to find a certain service or company. So, in having more keywords, you will actually get more customers finding your website. The next will be citations. So citations is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number can be found. This could be in a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Home Advisors, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, for example. So the more citations you have, then the more people are able to find your business. Now, the goal is to have more citations than your competitors. So this is what I found though when Googling plumbers. So the first thing we see here would be the paid per click. So these companies are paying to have their information listed here. The next will be ads. Now, ads are tricky because although you're paying for ads, people are paying for ads. And nowadays, people have ad blockers, so then these ads may not be seen because of the ad blockers. The next is going to be the map pack. Now, these are the people who have a Google My Business. It's very important to be listed in this area. People will call these companies first generally and go directly over to the website. So the goal would be to have you listed here. Now, this is going to be the organic search. So the first thing that we see here is going to be Yelp listed, another San Francisco local directory, and then Magic Plumbing. Now, I do want to say that I did find you in the fourth position or ranking fourth, so that's actually excellent. Magic Plumber would be your top competitor. But I do want to just show you this. When I click over to plumbers in San Francisco, the first company that's actually going to be listed is again Magic Plumbing. I was not able to find your website ranking in South San Francisco. So I do want to just say, since they are so close to you, that city or that part of town is so close to you, then you may be losing out on business in that area. So let me go ahead and just show you briefly Magic Plumbing, their website, since they're ranking a little bit higher than you in San Francisco and also number one in South San Francisco as well. So throughout their website, they are using quite a bit of content. Okay, now let's look at a tool. This is called Ahrefs. Shows us how your website is doing. These numbers are not exact, but still gives us an idea. So I'm showing that you have 430 backlinks. Now, backlinks are any links that are listed on a website that will lead back to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you will receive. Now, all backlinks are created equal, so we want to make sure that you have quality backlinks to improve your ranking. So for example, a backlink coming from a clothing store versus a hardware store may bring in a different amount of traffic to your website. Showing that you're utilizing 847 keywords, bringing in roughly 344 people to your website monthly, generating about $8,000 in revenue. So let's take a look at your keywords. Okay, so we have your company name listed here, plumbers in San Francisco. This column right here shows your position and how you're ranking. Plumber San Francisco. Let's see. Plumbing contractors in San Francisco. How to clog a toilet on purpose. Um, how to clog a toilet. Best plumbers in San Francisco. So this just gives you an idea how people are finding you or getting over to your website. Now let's take a look at Magic Plumbing. So they have over 1,900 backlinks using about 1,200 keywords, bringing in 918 people to their website roughly per month, generating about 20,000 revenue based on that traffic. So let's take a look at their keywords. So slab leak detection, plumber San Francisco, which they're in #1 position, water heater services, sewer hydrojetting near me, water heater whistling, gas boiler repair near me, San Francisco plumber, gas boiler repair near me. So just to give you some idea. Now, one thing that we can do is we can use some of the same keywords that your competitors are using to help you rank higher. So in San Francisco, our goal is to have you listed #1 before Magic Plumbing and also before those directories. And then also help you in South San Francisco as well to be ranked. So I hope that you enjoyed the tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to talk more about these tips, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. And I would like to get some feedback on this video. I truly would appreciate it. Thank you again for your time. Have a good day.